Yeah.
All right. Log question, we found that? Or the exponential question? Determine how many monthly investments of $50 would you need to deposit savings 3% annual interest compounded monthly, and then you want to end up with $50,000. So how would I do 3% interest? 0.03. Yep. Compounded monthly means you do a divide by 12. Okay, so that's very important. It'll really mess you up if you forget to divide by 12. Or if you just write 3, that'll also mess it up instead of 0.03. Okay, so FV future. What do we want to have in the future? 50,000 equals R, which says that's the investment amount. So each investment is $50. 1 plus the I. So we already figured out what we need to write when we do an I. To the N. Don't know. I don't know how long I want to do that. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Minus 1 all over I. Okay. I'm going to do my algebra all at once. Are you okay with this? First thing I'm going to do is times to get rid of that. Got it? That's okay with you? Then I'm going to divide by 50. And then that would be gone. Then I'm going to add 1. And that would be gone.
Doesn't matter which order you divide and multiply.
The divide multiply doesn't matter. Yeah. But the add for sure matters. Yeah. So if you did those two things switched around, all good. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of those 3 things and leave myself with this unit, which is the exponential base exponent part, right? Okay. So that. 50,000. And are we matching when you are done? Anybody? 3.5?
Yeah.
Okay, the big moment in the log exponent unit. How do you go about solving for a variable when it's located in the exponent? What's the thing we're going to do to this? We're going to have to log both sides. Because what does it activate when we log both sides? The log rules, which now means what can I do with an exponent? Move it to the front. So that's why I have to log both sides, because it activates the log rules, which activates exponents moving to the front. Brackets are really important on this piece right here because this is all one number. Okay, so now I'm going to divide Can you enter that into your calculator now? I'm getting 501.73, da, 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 something like that. Okay, this says we can express as a whole number. When you're making payments at the bank, no matter what the decimal is, you always round up. So 502 payments, which would be in months, right? Okay, and I'm just going to double check here. It says determine how many monthly payments. So we can just write 502. If it said how many years, what would you do? You'd have to divide by 12 or something like that, right? Okay, that was the end of the log exponent section.